In today's video, I'm going to show you Fora Travel honest review. ForaTravel.com, legit or scam agency. Fora Travel shows up in a lot of places with relatively positive feedback. On Trustpilot, for example, the company has a score around 4.6 out of 5, with reviewers often praising the company's training, tools, and community support. Scam Advisor's analysis also has Fora Travel in the legit divided by safe looking category, largely because of technical safety features like SSL, domain age, etc., and user reviews that are generally positive. Scam Detector gives it a medium risk rating, saying that while the site has some good signals, domain is established, doesn't show major red flags for phishing divided by malware, you should still be cautious. On the negative side, there are complaints. Some customers say that fees and pricing are not always transparent, and that unexpected charges crop up. Others report that customer service is slow or unhelpful, especially when things go wrong, changes in bookings, room issues, etc. As you can see in here in Reddit, there are also agent divided by advisor side complaints from people trying to join Fora, that the commission split 70 divided by 30 inches, many cases, is not the best compared to more established host agencies, and that getting leads, perks, or full support requires meeting high performance thresholds. Putting it all together, Fora Travel seems not to be a scam in the sense of obviously fraudulent or totally fake. Many people report good experiences, but it is also not perfect, and there are trade offs. It does seem more suited for those who understand what they're getting into, being aware of fees, knowing the level of support, understanding that some perks or better commissions come only after proving yourself. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.